Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna start a brand new project. As you see here, we have some stucco to do, and we have some veneer stone that we got right there on the side. Let me take you over here and show you what we have to do on this project. So we're gonna go with stone right over the garage right there. Over there we're gonna put scratch coat above the garage there, and we're gonna put stone right along there. Right underneath this, the foam where you see we have right there, we're gonna go stone. We're gonna go 4 feet skirt, go right along here. So we're gonna have our stone, and then the stucco gonna continue on over here, go all the way up, and right in this section here we're gonna have stone go all the way up. Here I'm gonna do some scratch coat with some wire mesh. Do some scratch coat over there. The stone gonna continue on. That's gonna be stucco there. Okay, let me take you to the back and show you what we have at the back to do. Okay guys, so as you see, we already put up our cement board to waterproof the entire surface. If you haven't seen that video, you should check it out before you watch this one to see how we do the preparation, and then you come back and watch this one. So now we're just setting up right now to start our stone work. We're gonna lay stone right along the entire back section today. Okay guys, let's dive right into the video. Get this thing popping. Okay guys, so here is this is the stone that we're gonna use. As you see, this is the corner piece. These are the ones that we're gonna put in the corner. This stone comes in 3 different dimensions, 3 different sizes. We have a small here, and here we have a medium, and then this is the big one. Okay guys, the first thing we gotta do, we gotta check to see the sizes of the stone that we have. In my case, we have 3 dimensions, we have 3 sizes. We have a small, here we have a medium, and over here we have a big. It looks like we have another size over here, which is a semi medium. You guys give it a name. So we have 4 dimension stone we have here, and on these sizes and this stone. So what we want to do, we want to check the biggest sizes we have. You want to measure like this. As you see here, it's 10 and 5/8. So it's 10 and 5/8. Reason why you want to check for this, in case you're working for a window or a door, you want to know the width of the biggest size stone you have. Usually the width of the biggest size stone added up to be the same as if you combine them together. I'm going to show you what I mean. So as you see, if we combine the small one and the medium one together, we should get the same 10 and 5/8 with the size joint. So it's important to just check for your biggest size stone that you have, and use that as a guide to work for if you're working for a window or a door. In my case, we're gonna work for our sills right now. Let's go and measure for our sills. My sills that I'm gonna go with is 2 1/4. So we're gonna go with 2 1/2. So we have a 3/8 joint, and here we're gonna leave a 1/8 space for the space underneath here. And here we're gonna leave. So what you wanna do from the ledge, you wanna take your measurement from the ledge. You wanna measure 10 1/2. Plus the joint, then another 10 1/2 plus the joint, another 10 1/2 plus the joint, until you reach right up here. As you see here, we reach right here with our 10 1/2 plus 1 small size. As you see, it's gonna work perfect with the sill that we're gonna put here. And you're gonna do the same when you're working for the top of your door or your window, because you wanna try to eliminate as much cut as possible. So we're gonna take the same measurement, 10 1/2, once we reach up here for our sill, to try to reach up to our window. That way we don't have no cut at all. So it's important to measure your biggest size stone, guys. Just use that as a guide to reach up to work for whatever you're working. You'll see as we go. Keep watching. So guys, this is the mortar that we're using for this particular stone. So as you see, I have my mortar here. The consistency you want a peanut butter mayonnaise consistency. I mix it and I have it sit there for around 10 minutes before I use it. So now it's ready to go. Now we're gonna start to lay our stone. So you see here we have a 1/8 and we have a 1/4 inch. We're gonna double. We're gonna use both a 1/4 and a 1/8. This is the space that we're gonna use to have a consistent joint. Go all the way up. So I like to dot my wall before I start to lay my stone. Help the stone to bond to the wall more better. You could just spray down your wall like this. Now we're finished to wet our wall. We're gonna start to lay our stone. I just wanna apply the mortar. You wanna go with about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch of mortar on the back of your stone. You don't wanna go too thin. We don't wanna go too thick. So I would say between 1/2 to 1/4 inch. That's what I normally go with. Here I put up something over the head here. Okay, so this one tells me that I want to go up over here. So we're gonna level him. That's where it level, guys. Keep on watching, guys. I'm sure you will know how to lay your own veneer stone in a few minutes from now. So as you see here, I have a spacer. What I did, I put half of it over this side and I put another half here. This half that I put here, I set it like this so that I can put my stone that's gonna go beside it, right beside it, so we're sitting on the same level. Boom. So you see I put it right there. You wanna squeeze your stone onto the wall until you see the excessive mortar coming up. That way tell you that it's fully compact to the wall. There's no air space behind it. That's the whole idea, to get out the air space so that we have a good contact to the wall. So we're gonna check again for level. It's important to try and get the first course 100% level. Go right along. That way we know that we need to work with the same size space so we have a consistent joint and go all the way up. So we're trying to get 4 feet going this direction. So we're gonna put another stone here and then we're gonna break it to a different sizes. Okay, so we're gonna break it here now. As you see, we have around 3 feet. So we're gonna put a different size stone to break it. You can either go with a bigger one or you can go with a smaller one. Either way works. You don't want to go no more than 4 feet for your bed joint. So now we're gonna you could either put a smaller one going this direction or we could put a bigger one. Let's put a bigger one here. Then just put our stone right up to this one here. Snapping in place. This one is kind of post upon him. For our edge joint, we want to have between a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch space as we go. So this we want to have it all the way out here so that our next stone going this direction can sit right onto it. Okay, so from here we're gonna put a small one now, and we only can go with small from here, go all the way out 3 feet to 4 feet. We don't want to go no more than 4 feet. We're gonna break the rules that you're supposed to follow in order to lay a perfect stone. Later on up in the video, I'm going to show you the rules that you need to follow in order to lay your stone the perfect way. Keep watching. Put this one right here. Squeeze him on like that. Smash him on. Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm not bothering you?
No, you're fine. We're all off to work. We're all off to work, my friend. Not a problem. If you're measuring for here, you want to measure from the stone that you already have. Just like, for instance, here, you want to bucket tape right onto this and measure. Remember, we're going a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch joint. Cut 5.5 medium. So we have our cut. You want to make sure you flush this one here, the new one with the existing one that's already laid. Just gonna put one spacer right here, another one over here. Now and again, guys, you go and check for level. Make sure we are still on level. Guys, as you see, I put it half, like I mentioned earlier. Now we're gonna put another medium over here. So the way we wanna mark it, we wanna go right like this. Squeeze them right up, leave at least a 1/8 space for the door. So where we're gonna mark it. Here. And we're going to put a piece of medium here now. Later on we're gonna put in our seals, guys. So guys, let's check for our window. Make sure we're right on. 10.5 plus our joint. Just like we said earlier. Another 10.5 plus our joint. 10.5. As you see, guys, we're getting there.